Welcome back to Charlie's Nail Art Supplies channel. Today we are going to tackle these little beauties. They're little metal charms and they come in various shapes. So at the moment in Charlie's we've got these lovely, as I cover them up, lovely gold butterflies. Now as you can see on the back, let me just show you close up. As you can see on the back, they are like a bronzy copper colour. So technically you could use them the other way as well if you wanted a different colour, but the correct side is actually the gold side. They are really pretty. So let's get started. Right, I'm just taking a look on Charlie's Nail Art website, and if you type in metal slices, then you will come up with quite a few of what she's got. So you've got things like a cupid with a bow and arrow, there is lips, the word love, then you've got something quite Christmassy, some little bells, there's the butterflies, 75p, you've got a little cat, black cat, something else Christmassy, you've got a nice boot you have, or a stocking, cobwebs, they're really nice, great for Halloween, spiders, bats, the list goes on and on. There is 4 pages of metal slices, so yeah, you know, do go over and have a nosy, have a look at them. Right, what we're going to do is I'm going to use normal nail polish and a normal top coat, and we're going to apply some, and then I'm going to do a gel polish with base and top, just to show you that yeah, it can be done and they come out nice. So what I'm actually going to do first of all is, because I've got like drying times in between these, so I'll have to keep going back to them. So this is just a cheap polish, what I've bought from Primark, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It's called Emerald. Let's give it a little shake. I don't have any normal base coat, I'm afraid, so this is going to be going straight onto the nail as it is. It's going to take a couple of coats, especially as I'm doing it on a white tip. That's the only trouble when you've used gel polish for such a long time. When you open this up, it stinks. Oh, it's awful. Right, you're going to pop a base coat on this tip. And then we're going to pop that into the lamp. I've pulled out this really gorgeous blue colour from Acre. It's number 5. Okay, I brought you down a little bit so you can see them a bit closer and what I'm doing. These are so light. Now, if you've got a wide enough nail, not that they're very big because they aren't, they're really tiny. I'm trying to show you up against something. As you can see, they would fit onto a nail really easily. But they are very light. they should fit on flat. But if you ever get something what's a little bit longer and it doesn't, you can just give it a slight bend. So some people do it round the barrel of a brush, or I just do it with my hand. Just a little bend, that's all. Let me get my tweezers. So I'm just going to take 2 of them. Just going to give them a slight bend. Not a lot. Hardly anything. Right, what we're going to do again is we're going to pop some base coat on this cured nail. You don't need a lot because you don't want them going sliding all over the place. So put a bit of base coat on and then scrape it back off. I'm going to use my tweezers this time, just to place those on. I'm going to get them straight though. Okay, and then I'm going to pop that back into the lamp. That one's still a little bit tacky, so we'll wait for that one. Okay, right, that base coat is cured now, and even without the base coat you can see how flush they sit on the nail. So you wouldn't be able to leave it like that, obviously, because you've still got a tacky layer. And if you even done them in top coat, I would do them in base coat first, then go over them in top coat. So we're going to put 1 layer of top coat over. So over this you could actually base coat again, then top coat, or you could just go for a couple of top coats. So I'm going to go for a couple of top coats. Okay, we're going to put a generous amount on and pop that in the lamp. Let's have a little feel of this one. Yep, I reckon we're a good one. So we're going to do the same for this one. I'm going to pull one out and just, I'm going to try and get it bent that way so it goes sideways. Excuse me. Okay, on this one I'm going to use Revlon Colour Stay Gel Envy. It is a top coat. You can get it from like Boots, Superdrug, places like that. You can use any top coat, by the way. You don't have to have that one. Okay, and then we're going to pop these little beauties on. Move them around in a second. I think I've done both those the wrong way. I need to go that way. Oh, smell of that. Ugh. It's making me all funny. Right, I'm going to leave that to dry over there because I don't want to put it under my LEDs because normal polish doesn't like LED lights for some reason. Right, that is just obviously one coat. Now I can't feel those at all, so I don't actually need to put a second coat on. I mean, you can do if you really want to, but I can't feel a thing. So I'll try and show you again from the side. That just shows how easy they are to encapsulate. You can do encapsulate them in acrylic. I've done that before. And you can encapsulate in hard gel, builder gels, all of that type of stuff. And like I say, you don't have to use that gold side. You can actually turn them the other way and use the bronze side. But that is good. The only thing we've got left to do now is we'll do another top coat on the normal one, and then that will be it. Okie dokie guys. Right, that is both of those done. So we've got regular polish, which encapsulates no problem at all. Turn it to the side so you can just see, no lumps or bumps. And then you've got gel polish on that one. I did say regular polish, didn't I? I forget things. And then you've got gel polish on that one. And you can encapsulate in hard gel, builder gel, all of that stuff, polygel and acrylic, no issues. So that is those two. If you want to place an order on Charlie's website, you could have some money off, which is always good, by using that code. And if you want to follow Charlie on any of her social medias, they are all there for you to see. The support group is quite good to like on Facebook, because if you've got any issues, problems, or you just want to leave a picture of your set of nails that you've done with some of Charlie's products, then by all means you are welcome to. So yes, if you need any help in that as well, the ambassadors are on there, and so is Charlie, so there's always somebody to help you. And I think that is about it. If you need to get onto the website to look for the metal slices, the best thing to do, what I find, is in the search bar, just type in metal slices and loads of them come up. There is loads and loads. And yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope it's not been too long for you this time. And please do consider subscribing if possible, and tick that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And if you wouldn't mind giving us a thumbs up on the video, that would be even better. And I will see you next time. Okay, bye.